Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Songs in 6 Days, and I'm here to teach you Alleluia. Alleluia has only a few chords. It has a C chord, an A minor, an F, a G, and an E minor. So it's 5 chords total. The strumming pattern that I'm using is a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then on the third verse, I'm doing an arpeggiation. That means instead of playing a chord as a chord, you play one string at a time. And since I have 4 fingers, I put my thumb on my top string. I put this finger here, this finger here, this finger here. So these 3 fingers on these 3 strings, thumb is here. And I just start at the top string and I go. Then I change a chord. So that's how you do the arpeggiation. In the middle, I also have a small chord melody. That's when I play the melody and the harmony at the same time. I don't sing. And there's a lead sheet that would have the lyrics. It would also have the chords, and it would also have the chord melody. So if you want any of that, be sure to press on the link and we'll send it to you. Thanks. A secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the 4th, the 5th, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing Hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied her to her kitchen chair, she broke your throat and she cut your hair, and from your lips she wrote Hallelujah, 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 Hallelujah. Well, maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. It's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not somebody who's seen the light, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And if you enjoyed that, Please like this video on YouTube. You can also go to Facebook and like us there. You can visit Amazon and purchase one of our 5 books, or you can go to our blog, ukulele.io, where we sell a lot of things, well, actually where we talk a lot about how to learn ukulele. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much.